solved problems, bank reconciliation statement and reconciled balances. Prepare bank reconciliation statement from the following. Bank statement for Timbong and Sons Enterprises for the month of April 2018 was date, particulars, debit, credit, balance. April 1, balance brought forward 1,443,750, credit. 2, check number 436018, debit 244,750. April 6, ENCO electricity 22,000, debit. 15th April, remittance of check on the 904, credit 254,660. 16, transfer to supplier NGU 66,000, debit. 17th April, transfer to supplier Tabi, debit 167,750. April 18, bills for discount 325,620, credit. 21st April, domiciled bills 934,680, debit. 27th April, transfer from customer surge 100,000, credit. 30 April, bank expenses 34,712, debit. 30 credit balance 654,138. Bank account for April 2018 was: 1st April, opening balance 1,443,750. 3rd April, check number 436018, 244,750, credit. 9, remittance for check of customer FAL, debit 254,660. 11th April, transfer to Nagu supplier 66,000. 17th April, bills for discount 325,620, debit. 29th April, check number 436019, 67,650. 30th April, debit balance 1,645,630. Solution: bank reconciliation statement for the month of April 2018, date, particulars, amount. 30th April 2018, balance as per cash book 1,645,630. 27th April 2018, add transfer from customer surge not appearing in cash book 100,000. 29th April 2018, add payment through check number 436019 not yet debited by bank 67,650. 6th April 2018, less ECNO electricity not appearing in cash book 22,000. 17th April 2018, less transfer to supplier Tabi not appearing in cash book 167,750. 21st April 2018, less domiciled bills not appearing in cash book 934,680. 30th April 2018, less bank expenses not appearing in cash book 34,712. 30th April 2018, balance as per bank statement 654,138. Reconciled bank and cash book balances for the month of April 2018, date, particulars, amount. 30th April 2018, unreconciled balances: cash book 1,645,630, bank book 654,138. 27th April 2018, transfer from customer surge not appearing in cash book minus 100,000 from bank book. 29th April 2018, payment through check number 436019 not yet debited by bank minus 67,650 from bank book. 6th April 2018, ICNO electricity not appearing in cash book minus 22,000 from cash book. 17th April 2018, transfer to supplier Tabi not appearing in cash book minus 167,750 from cash book. 21st April 2018, domiciled bills not appearing in cash book minus 934,680 from cash book. 30th April 2018, bank expenses not appearing in cash book 34,712 minus from cash book. 30th April 2018, reconciled balances: cash book 486,488, bank book 486,488. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.